Hi there, I'm John from CNCKing.com. Today we make custom fridge magnets using both maple and oak. We make a lot of custom coins here using wood at CNCKing.com, using just any species you could think of. Walnut, maple, oak, and so forth. And this is the first time that we've actually had a job where we made them in two different species at the same time. In this case here you have oak. So it's definitely a darker color, and you have the maple, which is a lighter color by contrast. Now each has their plus and minus, but the nice thing about both of them is they're both a hardwood. When we do custom coins, we definitely want to use a hardwood just for durability, but in this case here it's actually be fridge magnets, so the customer is going to finish it themselves and add the magnetic bit, I guess, on the back of it, and that's what they'll be doing for all of them. And we have two different kinds. We have the round ones, and we also have the rectangular ones here. So again, the maple is a lot brighter, and you have the oak here that's a lot darker in color. But with the laser engraving, they all come out nice and clear anyways. Now the one advantage to making fridge magnets over coins is that basically all the coins we've ever made are all double-sided, so it just takes twice as long to make them. While with fridge magnets like this that the customer will finish, we don't need to worry about the other side of it. Not that it's a big deal, it just halves the production time of regular coinage. comes to your design options, whether it's custom wooden coins or fridge magnets or whatever we make for you out of wood, it could be out of any species. If we're doing, let's say, wall signage and that kind of stuff, I actually prefer to use a softwood like pine. It's lightweight, it's easy to hold up, and if it falls on someone, it doesn't kill them. And the nice thing about hardwood is for smaller items that you can hold in your hand, they're not going to fold or crack or bend or, you know, whatever happens to softwood. When you have them in your pocket for a while, they just wear out. When it comes to your design options, any font works, any imagery works as well. You just want to make sure again that it's a vector-based image, which means that when you zoom in, everything's still nice and sharp. While if you have a bitmap, let's say like a photograph, you end up with jagged parts all over the place, and that gets copied over to the laser. You have to remember, we do these laser engravings at a very high resolution. So any sort of imperfections in them, although this is rather small, if you look at it closely enough, you'll see them. So I always prefer to do a digital proof for the customer, but also any problem areas, try to fix that before we do any wood cutting or chopping or laser engraving and cutting. So if you're looking for custom fridge magnets out of wood or coins out of wood or anything else out of wood, contact me at CNCKing.com. We'll make it for you and ship it right to your door.